Hello everyone, myself Sandeep Kumar Sinha. Welcome back once again to my channel. In my last video, I discussed the indifference set, the indifference schedule, indifference curve and indifference map. Now comes the properties of indifference curve. But before that, the concept of monotonic preference and marginal rate of substitution should be very clear, which is an important tool of indifference curve analysis of consumers equilibrium. Let me explain the concept of that is monotonic preference first. In this very video, I would discuss the monotonic preference of the consumer. Let me explain with an example. Let the consumer is consuming two commodities, let it be X and Y, and let the two bundles of the commodities after spending a certain amount of money expenditure. Let the first bundle be 3 units of X. 3X means 3 units of X and 5 units of Y. That is the first bundle after spending his total amount of money income on the purchase of the two commodities. And let the second bundle be, let it be B, that is 5 units of X and 6 units of Y. Now after spending the same amount, let it be 100 rupees, 100 रुपया कंज्यूमर खर्च करता है और उसके पास दो ऑप्शन है, दो बंडल्स है. वन बंडल इज कंटेनिंग 3 यूनिट्स ऑफ कमोडिटी X and 5 units of commodity Y. Another bundle is having 5 units of commodity X and 6 units of commodity Y after spending the same amount of money income. अब suppose anyone has to pick out of these two bundle, means after spending the same amount of money, if the two options are there before a consumer, suppose हमी को मेरे को ही किसी ने बोला just pick one of the two and let the amount spent on the two bundles be rupees 100, I would definitely go for this bundle B. Why? Because it contains more of both the commodities. X का 2 यूनिट अधिक है, Y का 1 यूनिट अधिक है. More units means more satisfaction. If I am spending suppose 100 rupees on bundle A as well as on bundle B and I am getting more in this bundle B, means 2 units of commodity X is more, 1 unit of commodity Y is more. Obviously any rational consumer like me would choose the bundle B. Means consumer in this case, what would happen? Means consumer would prefer or choose bundle A की तुलना में वो बंडल बी को चुनेगा. प्रेफर बंडल बी टू ए. वाई? बिकॉज बी कंटेन्स मोर यूनिट्स ऑफ बोथ द कमोडिटीज, दैट इज एक्स एंड वाई. मोर यूनिट्स ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई एंड मोर यूनिट्स मीन्स मोर सेटिस्फैक्शन. अधिक अगर यूनिट्स हमें उतने ही पैसे में मिलता है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि सेटिस्फैक्शन लेवल. इट मीन्स इफ अ बंडल इज हैविंग मोर यूनिट्स ऑफ द टू कमोडिटीज आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, देन दैट बंडल वुड बी चोजन बाय एनी रैशनल कंज्यूमर. लेट अस टेक नेक्स्ट अनदर एग्जांपल. दिस इज द एग्जांपल नंबर 1. इसमें क्या था? कंटेनिंग मोर मीन्स बंडल बी जो था, बंडल बी कंटेन्स मोर ऑफ बोथ एक्स एंड वाई. मीन दिस बंडल बी इज कंटेनिंग मोर यूनिट्स ऑफ एक्स एज वेल एज वाई एंड देयरफॉर बी इज चोजन बाय एनी rational consumer or B. Let's take another example. This is the example number 1, containing more of both the commodities in one bundle and as such it is preferred over the another bundle by any rational consumer. Let us suppose now this is the one bundle is having 3 units of X and 5 units of Y. another bundle Q is there, that is 5 units of X and 5 units of Y. Again, after spending the same amount of money, means suppose consumer is spending the same amount on these two bundles, and the two choices are there, either to pick the bundle P or the bundle Q. What is the observation? This is 3 units of X, this is 5 units of X, means 2 units more. This bundle Q contains 2 units more of commodity X. And what is the situation here in this case of commodity Y? The same unit of commodity Y is there. 5 units of Y here in bundle P, 5 units of Y in bundle Q. Means no decrease in the unit of commodity Y, and 2 units more of commodity X in this bundle Q. So what the consumer would do? Any rational consumer would pick this bundle Q. Why? Because it is containing more of one commodity X and no less of other commodity Y. That is, the consumer would prefer this bundle Q to bundle P. Why? Because it is containing more of one commodity X and no less of the other commodity Y. Means here, what is the observation? This bundle Q contains more of X. एक कमोडिटी हमारा है X, उसका 2 यूनिट अधिक इसमें है बंडल Q में, और that is more of X and no less of commodity Y. This commodity X का यूनिट ज्यादा है और commodity Y का यूनिट सेम है when compared to the bundle P, and therefore Q is chosen by consumer. कंज्यूमर इसे भी चुनेगा इस बंडल को. Then looking at these two examples, what we observe that the consumer always prefers a bundle of 2 commodities containing either more of both the commodities as in the example number 1, or more of one commodity and no less of others. Why? More units means more satisfaction, and that's why it is preferred over another bundle by any rational consumer. This preference shown by any consumer towards a bundle of 2 commodities containing more of one commodity and no less of other called monotonic preference of the consumer. Now, how to define monotonic preference of a consumer? Now, the definition of monotonic preference can be written in these words. It refers to the preference given. It refers to the preference given to a particular bundle. To a particular bundle of 2 commodities. 2 commodities by a consumer. By a consumer containing more of both or more of one and no less of other. That is the simple definition of monotonic preference. Mono means single. किसी भी सिंगल बंडल को कोई भी कंज्यूमर प्रेफर करता है. On what basis? Because it contains more of both the commodities or more of only one commodity and no less of other commodities, and more units means more satisfaction. So this preference shown by any consumer towards any particular bundle is called monotonic preference of the consumer. That's all about the monotonic preference of the consumer, which is helpful in the study of the properties of indifference curve, and indifference curve is an important tool of indifference curve analysis of consumers equilibrium. That's all about this topic. Now We will meet in the next video with a new topic. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.